the definition of open source may vary depending on how you look at it. As long as there is source code available on GitLab or GitHub that I can play with, as long as you are not throwing the code at the end of the, when you release it out, it's open source. So yeah, people may have political motive.
The Red Monk team, Stephen O'Grady on that, has been pretty clear that that's source available licensing. From that perspective, if there's no community maintaining it. And that's the challenge, right? When there's a certain degree of free money and everybody's confident in profits, and it's clear where you're going to make money around the source code, then I can see open source, community developed open source being really attractive. And I would love to have a debate about this, right? You and I are discussing it, and it's not clear what the right answers are. It's an evolving thing, and people are going to have to shift. And I would love for people to show examples of saying, no, this is a project that is maintained in the community by a group of vendors that's proven recession proof. Because the last 10 years we haven't had to worry about it. NPM's a great example of that. They went to Microsoft. Microsoft has a huge reason through Git to make sure that it's sustained, because it's a central component in a lot of Git repositories, and it's a very it's basically a library that puts them more in the middle of things, which is what they're trying to do. We'll see what happens with other open source projects.